a question. Do you guys speak any English? Little bit. It's your family?
Yes,
Beautiful family. Okay, just a little bit.
Aduh,
Just a little bit. Right? Yeah.
Terima kasih. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Don't worry.
Thank you very much. Saya 3 bulan belum bayar kontrakan, Pak. Saya mau diusir, saya mau diberhentiin, saya jarak di sini, Pak. Saya merantau ke sini, anak saya 4. Pak.
For you.